Huang's Pharmaceutical Company Limited, established since 1961 in Hu-Wai, Win-Lin County of Taiwan. Progressive sustainable development is the core of Huang's Pharmaceutical. Premises are designed, constructed, and maintained under PICS GMP guidelines. Manufacturing zone liquid, ointment, EFCT, sugar CT, capsule. Here are our working process. High quality verified equipment. All drugs categorized by system. Biological system. Tacroli ointment and Moson cream. Nasal sprays. Mosquito repellent and essential oil.
Antimicrobial drugs. Respiratory system drug. Throat spray series. Natural herb throat tablet. Throat trokes and granules. Nitrazole oral solution. Digestive system drugs. Various tablets and capsules. Chewable tablets. Herbal supplements. Crystalline glucosamine sulfate. Hormone series. Circulatory system drugs. Ginkgo film coated drugs and drops. Nervous system drugs. Respiratory system drugs. Herbal medicine. Product mosaic.
Thank you for your patience to review our message.
JES UNI Biotech is the sales representative of Hwang's for Vietnam.